Today, scientists at NASA have devised ways to create eclipses all the time. Can you think of a reason why scientists would want to create an eclipse of the sun all the time? Let's meet with Steele Hill of NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center SOHO mission.
SOHO is a spacecraft that is closer to the sun than we are. It observes the sun from 1.6 million kilometers from the Earth. SOHO stands for Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. On board, 12 instruments gather information about the internal structure of the sun's outer atmosphere, and solar storms. There is no other spacecraft like it. The sun's magnetic field appears to be responsible for heating the corona and producing violent explosions called coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. CMEs carry billions of tons of charged gases into space, and CMEs can reach Earth in 1 to 4 days. To observe a CME, SOHO has two telescopes called coronagraphs. Circular disks in the coronagraph block out the sun to create an artificial eclipse, allowing NASA to observe the corona. Scientists watch clouds of plasma blasting out from the sun as flares or CMEs. SOHO takes images about every 20 to 30 minutes and sends these images to the Deep Space Network here on Earth. The images are processed and displayed on the web within 30 minutes after traveling 1.6 million kilometers. CMEs are one type of space weather that can set off electrical surges and power lines and create radiation danger for astronauts. Scientists worldwide are using SOHO data to learn how to predict space weather that could endanger the future explorers of our solar system. Although we scientists have the advantage of seeing eclipses every day through SOHO, nothing can replace the personal connection people feel when they observe a total solar eclipse here on Earth. Its profound effect links us back to the ancient peoples before us.